Fabric workspaces, they are containers with a boundary. That's where the items like reports, semantic models, warehouses, lake houses, notebooks, or any other items in the fabric, they all live together. And we also have folders which helps us to organize this content neatly within the workspace. And workspace itself, it's not just for the organizing the content. There's much more it affects on, like for example, who have the access to it, how items gets deployed, what is the life cycle of those items, who owns it, who supports them, and the users who have access, what is their level of access. So there are various factors which are behind a workspace design. That's why when I am designing a workspace, I don't just think about what items are sitting next to each other. I think about all these other extra questions. For example, think like a team sharing a workspace. They're not only sharing a space to store their items, but they're also sharing a governance boundary. So, next time when you're thinking about workspace, don't think about just the contents of the workspace. They ask yourself the questions about who are the users, who owns it, and click on those workspace settings. That's where the architectural decisions has been made.